Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Tutors online platform. An immense appreciation to all of our YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. But if this is your first time on this channel, or if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly click on the subscription button so that you can receive notifications whenever we post new videos. Also, if you find this lesson informative, kindly use the comment section so that we can receive feedbacks as regards our video. Thank you. So today we are going to be taking a topic which is Roman numerals. Roman numerals. I said in one of our videos that we have the Indo-Arabic numerals and the Roman numerals, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be talking about Roman numerals. So now, without wasting much of our time, what is one in Roman numeral? One simply refers to as, sorry about that, sorry. One simply refers to as I, 2 is I, 3 is I, then 4 is IV. Now, IV, okay, 5 is V. Anytime you have a smaller number before a bigger one, what do you subtract? Now, looking at IV, I know that I means 1 and V means 5. Now, 1 is before 5. What you do is you simply subtract 5 minus 1 and you get 4. What if it was VI? This is 5 and this is 1. So you add it together, you get 6. So the next number 6 is what? VI. Then 7 will be what? VII. 8 is VIII. 9 is IX. And 10 is X. Just like I said earlier, IX, this is 1 and this is 10. Since the smaller number is before the bigger one, what you do is you just say 10 minus 1 and that is simply 9. I hope you understand that. So moving on. What is 20? 20 is simply XX. That's you add two x's together. That's 10 plus 10. Now what is 15? 15 is simply 10 plus 5 if you agree. What is 10? 10 is simply what? X. And what is 5? 5 is V. 5 is V. So 15 is this as what? XV. So you can continue like that and pick. If you want to do 28, you know 28 is 20 plus 8. What is 20? 20 is simply XX. And what is 8? 8 is VIII. That is 28. Now let's move on. What is 30? 30 is 10 plus 10 plus 10. And that will give you XXX. Now what is 40? 40 is simply, now we know you have said 40 is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now that will be X. But the Roman numeral, 40 is not written like that. Let's start with 50. 50 is L. And we know that X is 10. So if I write XL, X is 10, L is 50. If a smaller number is before the bigger one, we do what? We subtract. So we are going to have 50 minus 10, and that's what 40. That's how we came about. That's how we came about 40 to be what? XL and 50 to be what? L. So now let's move on. 100 is C. Those are the special ones. The special ones that we have. 100 is C. 500 is D, and 1000 is what? M. 1000 is M. So now let's assume you want to write 400. You want to write 400. How do you do that? Based on the explanation that I have given, 400 is 500 minus 100 minus 100. You get 400. So what is 500? D, and 100 is C. So once the smaller number is before the bigger number, you subtract and you get D. So 400 is obviously CD. What of 900? Now 900, we're told that 1000 is M and 100 is C. So our 900 is simply CM, which is what? 1000 minus 100, and you get 900. Now let's move ahead. What will I have something like 572? Now how do I write this? I can split this. This is 500 plus 70 plus 2. Now what is 500? 500 is D. What is 70? 70 is 50 plus 20. And what's 50? 50 is L. And 20 is what? XX. XX. Plus, then what is 2? II. So combining all of this together, you have GLXXII. Moving on, what is 867? 867. Now what is 800? 800 is 500 and 300. So 500 is D, 300 is 3 C's, so that's C, C, C. 67, that's 60 and 7. 60 is 50 plus 10, and 50 is L, 10 is what? X. Then 7 is VII. So you have 867 as this. Now what is 999? What is 999? I would like you to try out this before watching this video. I'll try before continuing this video. So 999, I know what 900 is. What's 900? 900 is cm, as I've done here. So it will be cm. What is 90? 90 is 100 minus 10. I thought I'd done 90 before. So 90 is 100 minus 10. So what's 10? X. And what's 100? C. So the 90 will be xc. Then 9 will be what? Ix. So this is 999. How about moving from Roman numeral to figures? Moving from Roman numeral to figure, how do we go about that? Good. Let's assume I have m mxvi, and I was told to write this. Now, first, what is m? M is 1000. What is x? X is 10. What is v? V is 5 and I is 1. So you sum all of this together. 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1 will give you 6. 0 plus 1, 1, then 0, and this is 1. So this is 1016. Now let's try this out. What is m m x x I I? M M X X I I. M is 1000. And now the following m is 1000. X is 10. X is 10. Then I is what? 2. So add all of this together. This is 2. 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. And this is 2022. 2022. So as an exercise, try out CM LXXVII. So what is CM LXXVII? So CM, because C is 100 and M is 1000, the smaller number is before the bigger one. So we know that we're going to subtract, and we know that CM is 900, L is 50, XX 20, VII is 7. So when we sum up all of this is 7, 5 plus 2, 7, and this is 9. So this is 977. So I believe that you've learned how to write from Indo-Arabic to Roman numerals, and from Roman numeral to Indo-Arabic numeral. If you have any question, kindly use the comment section below so that we'll get your feedback and we'll get your question. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time.